Good day. Please introduce yourself.
Good day, ma'am. My name is Maria Crisel Harana. I am 34 years old, single mom with 2 kids. I have 14 years old son and a 5-year-old daughter. I am 4th child in the family. And I studied Bachelor of Science in Hotel and Restaurant Services Technology in West Visayas State University, Haniway Campus.
Okay. Do you have any experience abroad as a domestic helper?
Yes, ma'am. I worked for 8 years in Dubai, United Arab Emirates in an Emirati family with 2 kids.
Okay. What is the ages of the kids?
They are 4 years old, ma'am, and 9 months.
Okay, what did you do there in Dubai for 8 years?
In Dubai for 8 years, ma'am. In that 8 years, I took care of the kids. I take care of them, and as a main duty, I take care of them. I wake up in the morning, take them to the school, feed them when they come home, put them in the nap, and after that, when they wake up after the nap, there's playtime. I play with them, and then I put them to the sleep at night.
Okay, aside from taking care of the kids, which is your main duty, what else? What did you do there?
I do the household chores, ma'am. I do cooking, I do the laundry, I do iron, I wash clothes, and I do the grocery.
Okay, how would you describe yourself?
I am an honest person. I am resilient, patient, hardworking, trustworthy, and I can work and manage my time without supervision.
Okay, do you have any tattoo in your body?
Yes, ma'am. I have 3 minimal tattoo in my body.
Okay, do you have any surgical operation before?
No, ma'am.
Why do you want to work abroad?
I want to work abroad, ma'am, to save money for my kids and to save money for their future education. I want to help my family also, and I want to build my own house in the future.
Okay, if you get hired again, who will take care of your children?
My mother will take care of my children, ma'am.
What time do you usually sleep and wake up when you are working there?
When I was working in Middle East, ma'am, there is Ramadan, so I wake late. And I wake up, I sleep late and I wake up early in the morning to take care of the kids and take them to the school.
Okay, are you the one who do the cooking and marketing at...
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. In Hong Kong kids, the kids there are super active and sometimes they tend to be out of control. How would you control your temper?
I am very patient person, ma'am. I love kids. I love nurturing them. And I like to handle kids with tantrums, ma'am.
Okay, if you're homesick, what would you do?
I will focus on my job, ma'am, and I will remind myself that I have to work for my kids and my family.
Okay, do you have any allergy to a certain food?
No, ma'am.
Do you accept no day off but to be paid instead by your employer?
Yes, ma'am.
When you visited the parents, relatives, and friends of your employer, will you help them and do some household chores there?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you promise not to lend money in Hong Kong?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, ma'am.
Are you willing to share room with the kids?
Yes, ma'am.
What will you do if the baby is sick?
If the baby is sick, ma'am, first of all, I will check the her temperature, the baby's temperature. I will check the body if there is any wounds or something, and I will check if she's hungry.
Do you
And
promise? Okay. Do you promise not to use cell phone during working hours?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you smoke and drink alcohol?
No, ma'am.
Do you promise to finish your contract?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Can you sing a nursery song?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, please give me an example.
Hush, little baby, don't say a word. Mama's gonna buy you a mockingbird. And if that mockingbird don't sing, Mama's gonna buy you a diamond ring.
Okay, can you please say something to your future employer?
Hi to my future employer. Thank you for checking my video, and I hope you consider my application as your domestic helper, and I promise you I will do my job and I will take care of your children. I will take care of your family as my own. Thank you.